U.S. Army Captain Simon Sanchez tests an alternative method of electronic communication to improve battlefield efficiency. Sanchez noticed the majority of radios used through the military have little to no spectrum sensing ability. He says this is problematic because a tactical unit may be asked to deploy to a location with an unknown and unknowable spectral environment.
I was in a cavalry squadron, part of a larger brigade element, and we were tasked to move out. What often happened is that we moved outside of our communications infrastructure and oftentimes had to wait for retrans to be set up or some other element to come support us. And I thought, as I came here, there must be some better way to do that. There's got to be a way that I can give the people that come behind me a way to have autonomous control of their communications infrastructure.
Roger, stand by.
Sanchez believes radios should be able to adapt to the environment, just as warfighters do. Enter white space spectral technology. It utilizes the frequency range left vacant by the analog to digital television conversion.
That equipment's all been developed in a way that makes it adaptive to the spectrum environment, able to reach long distances. The server's on, so just start your client.
Sanchez says white space spectral technology provides a more efficient means to rapidly establish inter-theater communications and transfer large amounts of data vital to modern command and control.
So if we can make a device out of that and create a relay that's become the basis of the communications infrastructure, everything that all the communications are flowing over, both voice and data, then they can handle that infrastructure themselves.
Moreover, signals can travel through microterrain and urban structures.
And by its own nature, it will sense the spectrum environment, choose a frequency range to operate at, and join into a mesh network and allow them to expand as necessary. They can pick it up as they go back if they are able, or if it's not able to be picked up, it's just a relay, so there's no CI equipment on that equipment itself, so they can just leave it.
White space spectral technology allows for scalable, mobile, and over-the-horizon networks.
That it will give units moving around on a battlefield flexibility to adapt to the environment that they encounter as the military shifts from long deployments in places where architecture has been set up over years to somewhere dynamic, like a airborne operation conducted in a new place where the environment both on the ground and in the spectrum is unknown.
Roger that. Additionally,